Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the option called auto screen off. Once you find it, tap on it, and here, as you can see, we have the list of durations, and we have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and that's about all. So select the duration you like, and then tap on it to confirm, and then press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity, so it should be quite soon. Right around now, I would say. Oh, a little bit longer. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.